Now let's talk about the sign Taurus. So Taurus is the second sign of the zodiac, which is the first earth sign and the first fixed sign. And its power is to anchor divine beauty into the physical world, to create something that is tangible in nature, because it is the first earth sign. So something that is on earth, something that is tangible, something you can hold, you can touch, you can taste, you can smell with your senses. And right in the beginning, I can tell you that their challenge is sometimes that they hold on too strongly to that earth. They're unable to separate from it because they get attached with the security that they have created for themselves and their family. So, Taurus, you need to understand that your superpower, that your natural gift is to solidify the physical world. It is what you carry within you to create and manifest abundance. And not manifest with wishful thinking, but because you have that earth quality in you, which is also ruled by Venus and has Venusian qualities as well, to create that harmony, that environment of stability, security, luxury, comfort, beauty, and love. You can create that environment for yourself and most importantly, your family. That is one of your strongest value systems, because Taurus is the original second house sign connected with your values, your family, your assets, your finance, your wealth, your food habits, and your voice. And that is why Taurus is connected with the throat chakra, because Taurus is the voice of creation. So Gemini is also connected with the throat chakra, but it is connected with communication. And Taurus is the voice of creation, here to create something that is abundant in nature, that is here to sustain through life. So that is your superpower, and that is what you need to embrace and get rid of the habits of stubbornness and rigidity, because it does not help you, because energy becomes stale and stuck if you keep holding on to it for a very long period of time. So understand your power, understand what you are here for, and embrace it and live fearlessly. If there's something that you would like to do, if there is an urge in you to create something, go after it and create. You are here to create, and you will be able to again make that secure, stable